Hey there everyone, most of you know me on YouTube as JP Videos, but I'd like to officially welcome all of you to my new second channel called JP Photography. So what's this channel all about? Why did I create it? Well, basically I created it to share my passion for photography with all of you and things related to it. Now before we go any further, let me tell you a little bit about my background. So before I started making videos, I actually became a self-taught freelance photographer. I taught myself everything I know and even got paid to do a few gigs. But I mainly did it just to learn how to take better photos. After doing that for a few years, I stopped doing photos, and in 2010, I transitioned over into videos. Started making videos. 13 years later, I'm still creating videos today. But my passion for photography never went away, it just kind of got put on the back burner. Now on my videos of the JP Videos channel, I often incorporate photo montages into my videos. That's because I still enjoy taking photos, but all those photos are done using my smartphone. But that passion has been bugging me, and I decided to make a recent purchase and to go out, buy myself a new Nikon camera, a few lenses, and a few accessories, and to reignite my passion for photography. And I'm not planning on being a freelancer again, I'm just doing this for my pure enjoyment. So the next question I want to answer is, what should you expect to see on this channel? Well, one of the things I'll be doing are photo walks, where you'll join me as we go out to different locations and capture the moment. I'll be sharing my commentary, letting you know what I'm capturing, how I'm doing it, and why. And sometimes I may even just play some mellow background music and let you hear the natural sounds of the environment. Other videos I plan on doing are some tutorials and small instructional videos about the gear I'm using, camera settings, and how to achieve different looks and styles of photographs. And yes, I'll be doing some more videos taking pictures with my smartphone. Now these videos I'm going to be creating should help you learn to take better photos, but more importantly, it's going to be a peaceful, relaxing, and fun way for you to experience and enjoy photography. The next question I want to answer is, what will I be photographing? Well, the simple answer is anything I want. I'm not tied down to any one particular subject. I love photographing almost anything and everything. But some examples you'll see on this channel are going to be landscapes and scenery, nighttime photography, action shots, some small town and city life, candid shots of people, and even some specialty shots like dreamy moving water, light trails, and I'll be even attending some events like car shows as well. At the end of the day, photography is a great hobby, and I'm hoping that I can teach you how to not only enjoy, but to take better photos, not only using your smartphone, but your camera as well. With that being said, I'm really excited for this next journey of my life and to be able to share my passion of photography with all of you. Now to start, I plan on releasing 1 to 3 videos per month. If you want to find out when those videos are coming out, all you got to do is subscribe to the channel and make sure your notifications are turned on. Thanks so much for watching and for listening, and I'll see you behind the camera real soon.